The 10-year spouse visa route does not have a lower income threshold than the 5-year route. That is one of the most common misunderstandings about how these two routes work, and it leads some couples to apply on the wrong basis. Here's how the financial requirement actually splits between the two routes. The 5-year route, the standard partner route, requires the sponsor to meet the income threshold set out in E-ECP.3.1 and E-LTRP.3.1 of Appendix FM. For new applications made on or after the 11th of April 2024, that threshold is £29,000 per year. This is a fixed requirement and must be met with specified evidence in the correct format. The 10-year route applies where the EX.1 exception in Appendix FM is engaged, under the RL TRP.1.1d. EX.1 is not a financial concession. It is a separate legal framework based on Article 8 of the European Convention on Human Rights, specifically insurmountable obstacles to family life outside the UK or undue hardship on a child in the UK. The financial threshold is not simply lowered for these cases. Comment below. Are you currently trying to qualify on the 5-year route, or are you in a situation where you believe EX.1 might apply? The practical implication is this. Being refused because the sponsor's income is below £29,000 does not automatically put a case onto the 10-year route. They would rather consider whether there are sufficient funds to accommodate and maintain the family. The EX one must be independently established on its own facts. It is not a fallback for every financial shortfall. This is educational information only. Both routes involve complex legal assessments. Please consult a qualified immigration solicitor before you apply on either route. Follow for more on how each route works in practice.